Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss properties of triangles, Mollweed rule. We are going to discuss now. In triangle ABC, small a plus b by c equal to cos of capital A minus b by 2 by sin c by 2. Small a minus small b by c equal to sin of a minus b by 2 by cos c by 2. Here, in triangle ABC, we know that small a, small b, small c are lengths of the sides of a triangle. Capital A, capital B, capital C are representing the angles of the triangle. Now consider LHS. Here, first question here we are going to discuss. LHS. Consider A plus B divided by C. From sine rule, we know that A equal to 2r sine A. Write it here. 2r sine A plus B value is 2r sine B whole divided by C value is 2r sine C. Take common 2r from numerator and denominator. So sin A plus sin B divided by 2r sin C. So here 2r get cancelled. After that, it is in the form of sin C plus sin D. We know formula. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So it will becomes 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 whole divided by sin C. In terms of off angles, we are writing sin C equal to 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. So here in triangle ABC, we have, since A plus B plus C is equal to 180 in triangle ABC here. So A plus B equal to, from this, A plus B equal to 180 minus C. A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 means 90 minus C by 2. Taking sine on both sides, sine of A plus B by 2 equal to sine of 90 minus theta by 2. So sine of 90 minus theta by 2 cos theta by 2. That means cos C by 2. So from this information, sine of A plus B by 2 and cos C by 2 both will be same. So we have to cancel it. So here 2 get cancelled. And sine of A plus B by 2 cos of C minus cos C by 2 also will be cancelled. Therefore, LHS value is A plus B by C equal to, this can be cos of A minus B by 2 whole divided by sine of C by 2. So hence, the first result, A plus B divided by C equal to cos of A minus B divided by 2 by sine of C by 2. Come to the second question in this Mollweed rule. In the second one, LHS, you have to consider A minus B by C. Same thing, same steps you have to follow. 2r sin A minus 2r sin B divided by 2r sin C. Take common 2r from numerator and denominator and then cancel it. Sin A minus sin B whole divided by 2r sin c. Here 2r get cancelled. Sin c minus sin d. We know that formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So similarly 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2 whole divided by sin c. So 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. And again a plus b plus c equal to 180. From a plus b equal to 180 minus c. A plus b by 2 equal to 90 minus c by 2. No? So here we have a plus b by 2 equal to 90 minus c by 2. That implies taking cos on both sides. Cos of a plus b by 2 equal to cos of 90 minus c by 2. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin c by 2. So from this, cos of a plus b by 2 and sin c by 2 will be cancelled. Same. Both values are same. Cos of a plus b by 2 and sin c by 2 will be cancelled, which is equal to sin a minus b by 2 whole divided by cos c by 2, which is our required RHS. Even here also we have to write RHS. And hence proved a minus b divided by c equal to sin of a minus b by 2 whole divided by cos c by 2. You should learn these formulas thoroughly. These formulas will help in competitive exams like MSET, JEE and BITSET.